pricing has been announced for the all-new 2018 Nissan Kicks subcompact crossover. Undercutting the Nissan Juke, which it's replacing, the Kicks will start at just $18,965, which is about average for this increasingly competitive segment. Moving up in the trim levels, the mid-range Kicks SV will start at $20,665 and the sporty, well-appointed Kicks SR will start at $21,265. That means the range-topping Kicks will have roughly the same starting price as the entry-level Juke. Other than being a better value proposition than the outgoing Juke, the Kicks offers several other advantages. The Kicks has 15 cubic feet more cargo space than the Juke thanks to its more conventional, but still quirky shape. It's also better on gas with an estimated 33 combined mpg versus the FWD Juke's 29 mpg. However, the Kicks also has less power and torque than the Juke at just 125 horsepower and 115 pound-feet, with its only engine option a 1.6-liter inline-4. Surprisingly, there is no all-wheel drive option in the Nissan Kicks, likely in an effort to keep the cost down and to make it more space-efficient. That makes the Kicks more competitive with crossovers like the Kia Soul and Toyota CHR rather than the Jeep Renegade and Honda HR-V. Not so surprisingly, the Kicks won't offer a manual transmission like the Juke did either. We don't know an official release date for the Kicks, but it should start arriving in showrooms soon. The new crossover would be arriving this spring.
The 2019 Crosstrek Hybrid will be the Japanese automaker's first ever plug-in hybrid, PHEV. For a company that caters to the outdoor, off-road, all-wheel drive enthusiasts, we're a bit surprised it took Subaru this long. And on the other end of the spectrum, the new Subaru SUV in full-size form will be going on sale anytime now. Expect the new Crosstrek for 2019 to offer the same nimble capability and rugged looks but with obviously significantly improved fuel efficiency when it arrives at dealerships late 2018. The Crosstrek compact crossover is Subaru's third best-selling vehicle in North America. The new Crosstrek Hybrid should keep the sales rolling, taking advantage of both gas and electric power, eliminating range anxiety, or driven on pure electric drive for local commuting. Partnering with Toyota, the 2019 Crosstrek Hybrid integrates its renowned all-wheel drive and Boxster engine with the Toyota Hybrid System, THS, all built on the new Subaru global platform.
The new Nissan Leaf was unveiled last September to great fanfare, as Nissan launched a months-long global marketing offensive to trumpet the arrival of its second-generation mass-market electric car. A daunting task, replacing the world's best-selling EV, the 2011 Nissan Leaf, produced in around 300,000 units since it came to market. Nissan was the first automaker to aggressively pursue the EV market, but had not followed up with a new product since. Meanwhile, progress in the field has been explosive and competition is finally raging. Would Nissan once again lead the way? That was the question. The Japanese car maker confidently hailed this new Leaf as the world's most advanced mass-market electric vehicle and, since its September launch, media outlets have followed suit with rave reviews and generous awards as 2018 World Green Car, Best Electric Car. New generation driving assistance systems such as Propellet and the e-pedal got all the attention. Global sales to core markets started in January after an early opening in Japan, and total orders have since surpassed 40,000 units with strong sales in all continents. But beyond the hype and good start, is the new Leaf living up to expectations? The most obvious issue for any new electric car model is to address the age-old fear of range anxiety. With early EV models such as the first Leaf only managing about 100 miles on a charge, This is easily the main factor preventing mass adoption of electric vehicles beyond enthusiasts and short-distance commuters. It's true that most drivers statistically only require their car to make short trips on a daily basis, but for an EV to be the main or only car in the household, 100 miles simply won't cut it. That's why, as rumors got confirmed about the 2018 Leaf's 40 kWh new battery, excitement on the new model's capacity faded quickly. With just over 150 miles EPA range, the improvement over its predecessor is notable but not groundbreaking. The original Leaf had itself been improved to 30 kWh over time. While appealing to more customers, it falls short of catching up on market rivals, let alone leading the way. Which takes us to the second most important issue surrounding electric cars: charging. The 2011 Leaf boasted 50 kilowatts fast charging as standard, through its Japanese CHAdeMO plug, providing a good charging speed for its small battery pack. Since then, Tesla has led the way in ultra-fast charging via its 120 kilowatts proprietary system, while most major car makers are now grouping up in support to the CCS system, which promises charging capacities of up to 150 to 350 kilowatts, available this year. The 2018 Nissan Leaf surprised us with a 50 kilowatts CHAdeMO plug. The complete lack of progress on this crucial aspect means the new battery may be charged to 80% in around 40 minutes, worse than its predecessor. It's true that possibly up to 80 to 90% of charging will be done overnight, when speed doesn't count as much, but the low spec puts another nail in the coffin for long-distance travel with this car. And it's not the end of the bad news. Recent tests from early customers demonstrated that when fast charging multiple times over the same trip, the new Leaf will automatically slow down the rate of subsequent fast charges from the full 50 kilowatts to much lower rates, about half speed. Nissan has since confirmed this is a feature rather than a fault, to preserve battery life. A bit of an embarrassing justification for an unadvertised limit of the new product, promptly rebranded as Rabidegate on social media, and whose consequences are yet to be seen. This flaw alone could quickly turn the narrative about the new Leaf to a completely different direction, as initial orders are fulfilled and new noteworthy competitors such as the Hyundai Kona Electric, Kia Niro EV and Tesla Model 3 become available. With the first cracks in a so far idyllic picture starting to surface, it's doubtful if Nissan will be able to continue its electric ride unscathed for much longer. They still may have a card up their sleeve, the long-range 2019 Nissan Leaf. Rumored to boast a 60 kWh battery for a 225+ miles range, 100 kilowatts fast charging and liquid battery cooling, next year's version could nip most of the nascent controversies in the bud. But until the upgraded model is unveiled, the new Leaf's honeymoon with media and customers may soon prove to be short-lived.
The Highway Loss Data Institute, HLDI, has released a new report showing Subaru vehicles like the new 2019 Forester and Ascent with standard EyeSight driver assist safety system significantly reduces insurance claims. According to the new study, they found that vehicles equipped with EyeSight cut the rate of likely pedestrian-related insurance claims by 35%. Subaru's EyeSight that will now come standard on the new 5th generation 2019 Subaru Forester, and all-new 2019 Subaru Ascent, performs a number of functions including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning and lead vehicle start alert. It also includes pedestrian detection, enabling the system to brake automatically for pedestrians in addition to other vehicles it detects in the vehicle's path. The system uses 2 stereo cameras mounted inside the vehicle near the top of the windshield. Subaru began using EyeSight, with black and white technology on US vehicles like the 2013-14 Legacy and Outback and the 2014-16 Forester. Subaru introduced their second-generation EyeSight, using color cameras, on the 2015 Legacy and Outback, 2015 Crosstrek and Impreza, and on the 2017 Forester. The improved new generation EyeSight has longer and wider detection ranges and other improvements. HLDI Senior Vice President Matt Moore says, "The data clearly show that EyeSight is eliminating many crashes, including pedestrian crashes." The HLDI study compared the rate of insurance claims per insured vehicle year for Subaru vehicles with EyeSight, compared with the rate for the same models without the optional system. The first-generation system reduced claim frequency 33%, while the newest second-generation system lowered it 41%. Today, all models except the BRZ and WRX STI are available with a new generation EyeSight. For the first time, the 2019 Subaru Forester will now come standard with EyeSight. Reduced insurance claims will likely translate to lower insurance costs for consumers. Moore says, "Subaru has taken a good system and made it even better. It's great to see the company moving quickly to deploy the technology through its fleet."